It was good. It's Rg3 live from the 313, of course. I'm coming to y'all with a quick brush session. Not major. Just showing y'all my angles and what I do before I leave. About to hit the streets, so not doing nothing too extravagant. Just about to hit it and dip. So I unragged. I ain't added nothing in today. Just woke up, let my hair breathe, and yeah. So hope y'all can see. Y'all be like, oh, I like the crown, it's cold, but it's a headache really maintaining these angles to complement that jump. I had to change up so many times, it's ridiculous, but I finally got it. And to be honest with y'all, it's gonna sound crazy, but I went back to counting strokes. Weird, OG, plain, simple shit be working. Sometimes you gotta go back to the basics. So, I get at least 15 in each spot, 20, 25 in my weakest, thinnest area. And that's been helping out a lot. But I like to go all the way around. I like to do a couple rounds first, all the way around. So after this cut, I'm gonna change my crown. I'm gonna start pulling it around this way. See, I got kind of like a swirl hive. I'm about to change it. I know I said I was gonna go 540, but I'm a punk. I ain't want to scout. And plus, I feel like I never reached the point where I wanted to reach with my beehive. I'm like what? But y'all know we perfectionists and the shit just don't stop. But yeah, when I'm about to dip, I just hit it with my softie, of course. Hit me up. Let me know what's something y'all want me to give y'all some tips on. I hit y'all with a video. Get it right on for y'all. Like I said, I'm back doing my videos. Y'all been showing me hella love, been waiting on me to drop vids, and I'm back. Rg3, Team Supreme. Over and out.